Hi guys, picked this little chap up in the charity shop, labelled at £1, but I actually had him bundled with a few other odds and ends for £2, so this cost me less than £1. He's animatronic. He's got, feels like wires in his arms, and there's something goes up into his head, so I think his head will move. But I did have a look, and his batteries are all crystalline and have all leaked. So, well, we'll find out. I'll take him out, try and clean it up and see if we can get him working. I do collect quite a lot of dead batteries. They go to the recycling centre. Right, that cleaned up quite nicely. But nothing's happening. Well, from all the other ones we've checked already, the most likely thing is that switch, isn't it? Right, well, on the positive side, the connections in between are working. We're getting all the way there. Wow. Well, that was interesting. It must have been just one of the last connections at one end or the other. And jiggling it like that has obviously cleared it well enough. There, right. It's one of these, isn't it? Oh wow. Do we still want to have a look inside? It'll be very similar to the ones we've already looked at. I might leave this one because I think we've looked at enough of these, to be quite honest. If it didn't work, I'd have definitely taken it apart, but we got, say, 2 wires in the arms there that make his arms move, and I can feel we've got a bit going up into here as well. Yeah, we'll keep this one short. It works, it just needed the batteries replacing and the contacts cleaning, and we're okay. So we'll take that one as a bonus. So it cost me less than £1. Quite loud as well. Produced for HomeBase Limited. Made in China.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.